Well, greetings everyone. I took a week off from recording videos. I don't know if you noticed or not, but yeah, so I'm back. Uh, didn't have much to say last week and didn't want to just post something just for the sake of posting something. But I did want to talk a little bit about the midtermish assignment this week. It's still a little ways off. It's not due until November, but I did have a couple inquiries about it this week, so I did want to just send out I guess a mass announcement or some the information that I conveyed to a couple of you. Um, so it's not due until November 5th. So that's more than a month away. And there's nearly a 2-week window to complete it. So you can't actually turn it in until November 5th, but you must turn it in by November 17th. And I know a couple of you are kind of itching to get started on that. And that's okay, but I did just want to issue a couple words of caution about that. So the window is strategically placed within our semester for a specific reason. So the idea is that at that point, we will have covered a lot of content that I think gives you a really good base from which to complete your midtermish assignment. So if you do it too early, you're going to miss out on, you're just not going to have the same foundation that you would have if you waited until, a little bit later. Now that's not all that far off, and I do understand that, the midtermish assignment does require that you either that you do participate in a formal learning experience, either as like the teacher or the learner. So I understand that requires a little bit of coordinating, and it just may not be that you can wait until a little bit later, that the opportunity is maybe now or soon. So if that's the case, my recommendation would be to make sure you record the descriptive portion of that really, really well. Take very copious notes about things that were going on, your impressions, things you noted, either from the teacher or the student, in the hopes that those notes might give you a little bit more insight later on. So that would be how I would recommend approaching that. And again, kudos to those of you who are thinking about it, and kudos to those of you who are thinking about scheduling that soon. So, in the meantime, please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any questions about that. I did have a couple questions also about whether a particular situation was appropriate for the midtermish assignment. So please do, if you have a question about that, please do feel free to email me. You can also post those in that, I think I call it the student forum discussion board. So that's also a good place to do that. And that way everybody gets to read the response too. I did have somebody show up for office hours, which is that makes my week when like one of my online students come to my office, and I understand that, you guys, many of you are taking online classes for a reason. You can't make it to campus, but you can also give me a call too. I'm very happy to do that. I can set up a Skype or a Zoom meeting. So, and then again, I answer emails too. Probably not as quickly as you would like, and not as quickly as I would like to respond, but I do that. So anyway, that is it for this week. I haven't probably been checking in. Well, I actually have been checking into the discussion boards. I probably haven't been contributing quite as much as I did the first couple of weeks. I kind of wanted to make sure we got off to a good start, and I think that we have, and it's, I'll certainly chime in when I feel that I could contribute, I guess, or further the discussion. But frankly, you guys are doing a good job of that on your own. So, anyway, I've really gone on too long. Okay, now it's 4 minutes and 34 seconds, and the last 15 seconds were totally unnecessary and counting.